Hello, I'm Captain Al Ziquez with the Pembroke Pines Police Department.
And I'm Division Chief Ruben Troncoso of the Pembroke Pines Fire Department.
This very important message is to provide vital information to our residents about the coronavirus, also known as COVID-19. Our goal is to keep you informed about the rapidly evolving COVID-19 crisis and what resources are available within the City of Pembroke Pines during this state of emergency.
Public health experts and officials from the CDC, the Department of Health, as well as other state and local public health agencies have been providing the public with important information about COVID-19 on their websites. Major news organizations and media outlets have also been providing updated information as the crisis evolves. Our goal is to reinforce their message, raise awareness about COVID-19, and provide you with additional information specific to the residents of Pembroke Pines.
As first responders, our number one priority is the safety and well-being of the citizens we protect and serve. As such, we want to ensure that everyone is taking the necessary precautions to minimize exposure and decrease the risk of becoming infected with the coronavirus. The following safety measures will not only minimize community or person-to-person spread of the virus, but will also provide a safer environment for all Pembroke Pines first responders providing public safety and emergency services. These important safety measures are: stay indoors, especially if you're sick. Practice social distancing. Remain at least 6 feet away from others and do not congregate in groups. Avoid touching surfaces or frequently touched items such as doorknobs. Clean surfaces often. Wear gloves and masks when exposed to others in public. Do not touch your face, mouth, eyes, or nose without properly washing your hands. Wash your hands often with soap and water for 20 seconds or longer.
If you think you have been exposed to COVID-19, you will likely develop the following symptoms within 2 to 14 days of exposure. Symptoms can range from mild to severe. Some people infected with the virus, such as young children, might not even show any signs or symptoms of the virus. Symptoms consistent with COVID-19 include fever more than 100 degrees Fahrenheit, cough, sore throat, shortness of breath, or difficulty breathing. Other associated symptoms may include abdominal discomfort, body aches, diarrhea, fatigue, nausea and vomiting, and runny nose.
Anyone can contract the coronavirus, but not everyone will experience the same symptoms. According to the CDC, older adults and people of any age who have serious underlying medical conditions may be at higher risk for serious complications from COVID-19. Those most at risk include older adults above the age of 65, people with pre-existing medical conditions, including heart, lung, or kidney disease, people with diabetes.
Here in Pembroke Pines, if you are mildly ill with COVID-19, you should isolate at home during your illness. You should restrict activities outside your home except for getting medical care. If you are experiencing mild coronavirus symptoms, you should immediately call your healthcare provider for medical advice. Your healthcare provider may direct you to a nearby testing site, or notify a family member or friend who can contact a healthcare provider on your behalf. Before showing up at the doctor's office, emergency room, or anywhere for care, you must call first. Calling ahead will allow healthcare providers to prepare for your arrival by taking all the necessary precautions. If you are experiencing severe flu-like symptoms such as difficulty breathing, shortness of breath, or chest pain, you should call 911 immediately. When calling 911, you should inform the call taker of the following information: that you have flu-like symptoms and your main complaint, such as shortness of breath, chest pain or discomfort, high-grade fever, or cough. This information will be relayed to first responders before they arrive, allowing them to take all the necessary precautions, which can include wearing additional personal protective equipment.
If you're in self-isolation or quarantine and need assistance, the following resources are available to Pembroke Pines residents: 311 Broward County Call Center, Florida Department of Health COVID-19 Call Center, Pembroke Pines Emergency Operations Center, Pembroke Pines Police non-emergency number, Pembroke Pines Fire non-emergency number, CB Smith Park COVID-19 Test Site Pre-Registration Call Center, drive-through only after pre-registration by phone. In case of emergency, always call 911. Please know that your Pembroke Pines Police and Fire departments, as well as the entire city administration, are taking this matter very seriously and ask that all of you do as well. We will continue to proactively address issues and respond to calls for service. By working together, we can help bring this pandemic to an end. This message will be repeated frequently on all of the city's media platforms, and it will be updated as needed to ensure that you always have the most accurate information.
Thank you for watching, and we hope you stay safe and healthy.